This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by John Caldwell. Investor alert: this home is in need of some renovation to be the best it can be again. It's located on a quiet side street in an older neighborhood not far from the downtown business district. The wooded lot is 1/3 acre with a chain-link fenced backyard and a screened back porch. There's a single car attached garage and a 1-car carport in front of it. The roof is metal, and the siding is vinyl. 832 square feet of living space with 1 full bath and a half bath off the kitchen. Central air and heat. City water and sewer. The homesite offers good privacy in relation to neighboring homes, and there's very little traffic passing in front. For more information, review the details below.